dito para maraming nagtatagpo sa akin sa mga nangyayari, yung pagnanakaw ng PBT, mga ganun, alam nyo, tapusin na lang natin yan, hindi na natin halongkatin. Kasi hindi naman maganda yung issue na yan na nagbibintang, diba? Ayan, nag-uusap kami ni Sir Paul, tahimik lang, sabi niya, kaya lang, just to clarify one thing po, kami po, we've been helping for so long. Ang tagal-tagal po namin tumutulong. Just honestly, ang Pugong Biyahero donation namin, we never claim it to our tax yet. Hindi ko naman sasabihin po na hindi namin i-claim. Maybe eventually. But for over a year, we never claim Pugong Biyahero. Kahit 5 centimos, wala pa. And as I said, I'm not dismissing na someday, kasi as having a business, talagang kailangan namin ng tax deduction. Kaya lang as of now, we're not claiming Pugong Biyahero donations, lahat ng PB donations. So yun po ang sasabihin ko, kahit talongkatin nila ang IRS namin, na-claim namin, wala po kayong makikita. And we have a charitable organization. We have a charity organization. And marami po kaming deduction. It's not the one that's going to the Philippines yet. And again, as I said, hindi po namin sasabihin na hindi namin i-claim one day. But as of now, since I started donating ang PB team, I never and we never claim it yet. Ayan po ang ating istorya, ha. At saka po yung ba yan? Dapat tama na yan. At tapos na. Kasi si Ma'am Beth, we're good. I never claimed na mayaman kami. From the beginning, I started my blog. From the beginning, I started. Palagi namin sinasabi, we're not millionaires. Hindi po kami mayaman. Hindi po kami... But we live comfortably. Okay? I always grew up very poor. I always grew up as a katutubo. We have a very poor life and we struggle. And we make it happen where we live comfortably. Okay? Ayan po. Naintindihan na natin ng lahat. Panoorin niyo po ang aming ginawa ng asawa ko last night. We do a home visit one of our patient. Okay? Para matapos na, tama na yan. Vibes na lang tayo. Love na lahat tayo. Mga Beth, lahat na po ng reactor, lahat po ng mga basher. We love you all. Okay? No, mga ganyan. Mga hatred. Hindi maganda po sa buhay yan. Hindi ka aasenso. Hindi, mabigat yan sa pakiramdam. Okay? Again, nagkamali ang PB team. We apologize. Kami ni Sir Paul, lahat ng PB team, we apologize for the mistake. But, yan na lang po. Hindi na po ako magko-comments. Wala na, this is the last time. Kasi, I just want to clarify about the tax. And again, as I said, maybe someday we will do it, but not now, at the moment, okay? Salamat sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa pagsuporta ng PB team, lahat ng aking Tres Marias. Say shout out kina lahat ng mga OFW dyan, lahat ng mga taga-subaybay natin. Mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat. I love you all. Take care and God bless.